What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPDIESEL, and here we go again with another quick episode of some shop action. We're gonna talk with the famous Mr. Beach Mechanic. I heard he's working on a badass little Ram Cummins. We're doing a leveling kit from Carli Suspension, getting rid of some wax spacers that it has, guys. Say no to spacers. And we're gonna be doing some upper and lower heavy duty ball joints along with some upgraded, I think they're factory hubs, I'm not sure. Let's go ask them, let's find out. What's up, Mr. Martin?
What's up, guys?
What do we got?
Working on some ball joints.
What is that? What that is right there?
This is a ball joint press.
Oh, okay, so that's the tool that we use to get the ball joints. Yep. Is that just a remover or is it an installer as well?
Installer as well and remover.
Very, very nice. We got all the pieces right there that we need to work with this thing here. So along, what kind of ball joints are we putting on this thing? Let's see what we got.
We're doing some Napa feet.
Here we go. So we did partner up with our people at Napa, and they did introduce us to these badass heavy duty ball joints right here. Metal cup, no plastic cup. As you can tell right here, this looks, just by looking at the part, the way that it looks right there, comparing this one overall, just looks a lot heavier duty than the factory one there. And you can always tell by the packaging, man. If you know that the product that you just purchased comes very, very well packaged, it means that they care about the products that they put out. So the likelihood of getting a good product is very, very high. So we're doing the Napa fleet ball joints here for heavy duty. And then we're also doing some hubs right here. Let's check that out.
Mopar hubs.
These are Mopar, as you can tell. If we do not like any kind of factory components, we always elect to go back with OEM parts. But cool, let's check out the cool stuff though. Let's go over here and check out the Carli stuff. I believe Mr. Beach Mechanic had it laid out for us. Very, very nice and pretty. Here we go. Let's check it out. We have our dampener right here. We have our leveling coils right here. Very, very nice, as you can tell. It says Carli right there, very nice. And then we have our shocks for the front and the rear there. And then this is all the brackets. Look at this. Look at this beautiful stuff right there. Again, man, these guys take extra care with their packaging so that these things come nicely. You know, you spend a lot of money on these products. You don't want them coming in damaged or anything like that. So you always want to mess with companies that take great care. Look at this right there, boom. Nice little Heim looking thing at the end of the track bar. And here's another Heim joint right here at the other end. So this is a very, very, very heavy duty track bar that we got right there. And then I believe you already did the ball joints and the hubs on this side, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice, so let's go. So this Bilstein shock is gonna be removed and that coil is gonna be removed. But as you can tell right here, he has already installed the ball joints, upper and lower, and he's got the OEM hubs that come with a wheel speed sensor. So, yep. Everything looks to be coming along very, very nicely on this little Ram here. She's gonna ride excellent as soon as she leaves here. As you guys already know, after we're done installing all of these front end components, we're gonna put her on our alignment rack, make sure she's good to go, make sure she tracks straight, and have this client come pick up his beautiful truck with a beautiful ride. Thank you guys again for all the love and support. We mean it from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you guys so much. If y'all guys have any questions, concerns on any products that we feature here, or if you want to get your little rig brought to us, give us a shout, hit us up on social media, or give us a call at the office. Thank you guys. Peace.